Seriously?
Yeah, except this sales lady was totally like...
Hi. I'm Haley. Haley West. I'm new here.
Hi.
So, what are those pin things y'all are wearing?
Wow, you really are new. I'm Tiffany.
I'm Brittany.
And we are the Parallelogirls, the most exclusive club at Geometry High.
Oh, how do I join?
You want to be a parallelogirl? Do you even know what a parallelogram is?
No, but, I mean...
You might want to figure that out before you talk to us again.
Yeah.
Okay, I will. You'll see.
You seen the new 17 subscription?
No, what's in it?
Seriously, you haven't gotten it yet?
No, yes, I just asked you that for my amusement. No, seriously,
I'm
what's in
figuring
it?
it out.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm the girl that wanted to join y'all's club, remember?
Yeah, I remember you. You were the girl who knew nothing about parallelograms, yet you still wanted to join us. The Parallelogirls.
Actually, a parallelogram is a quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides parallel.
Congratulations.
Excuse me.
You learned how to use a dictionary. I'm impressed.
So, what else do I need to know to become a parallelogram?
Well, sweetie, you need to know everything, and I mean everything, about parallelograms. You need to know that parallelograms have 9, count them, 9 properties. You know, barely any other shapes have that many. You know, there are other clubs too that wish they were as cool as us. You know, like those rhombus rebels. Oh my god, they think they're so cool, but they're total losers. Ugh.
Ew.
And you know, people get us, I've heard people say that they got us confused with those wannabes.
They think we look similar?
No. Just no.
What is the real difference between the two?
Tell her, Brittany.
Okay, a rhombus has 4 congruent sides and totally different properties, really. Sometimes people say that they are perpendicular, which is not true. And that's really offensive to us, that they think that we're rhombus people. But we aren't. They're totally different.
Well, at least only one shape they get wrong.
No, sweetie. No, it's not just the rhombi. No.
Nope.
It's literally, it makes me so mad. Even those rectangle rangers, people think that they look like us. They have all these nasty right angles. We don't have any. How could they confuse us with them?
Like them?
Seriously.
Wow, I need to study.
What was that?
Oh, nothing. It was just, I was thinking what an honor it would be to become a parallelogirl.
It really is, you know. We don't just let anybody in. And you have to take a couple tests.
Pretty intense, too.
Yeah.
Tests?
Are you up for it?
Yep, there are 3 tests that you need to take to get into the club. And you know, you should know that barely anybody makes it. You know, it was only us 2.
Well, I want to take them.
Okay, I mean,
Well,
if you're sure.
okay.
I'm sure.
The test starts tomorrow. So this is your first test. So if you want to be a parallelogirl, you have to be totally in with the current styles and fashions. So we decided that your first challenge is you have to design an accessory, namely a ring. You have 30 seconds. Tick tock. Well, don't just stand there. Halfway over. Done. Well?
Is this okay?
Huh. Solve this. So if this is x, and this is y, and this side is 15, and this side is 6, well, what is x and y? Solve it.
Okay, so I know that opposite sides are congruent, and if that is 6, then x has to equal 6, and if that's the opposite side of y, so y has to be 15. Yes.
Huh. You actually got it right. Next challenge is to draw a parallelogram of earrings. And this time, you only have 20 seconds. Hop to it. Well? Good Lord, you're slow. Man, wow, you're already halfway done.
Oh no.
Done. How could you drop a parallelogram in that short of time? Okay, well, you definitely did draw a parallelogram, but maybe, you probably can't do this in this short of time.
Okay. Well, I know that opposite angles are congruent, so if 105 on this side, so they have to equal each other. So D minus 21, so you're going to add 21, and then we got 126 equals D. And then, once again, the opposite sides, those are congruent too. So 20 equals Z minus 8, add 8, add 8. 28 equals Z. All the studying really did come in handy.
How did you? Drawing tests aren't working. I know. How about a writing test? Yeah. Okay. You have to write all 9 properties of parallelograms. You have as many seconds as I tell you, as I feel like it. Just go! Time's up!
Oh, and diagrams too.
I cannot believe this. You know what? Fine. You are a parallelogram. Are you happy now? Yes! I quit.
So basically, a parallelograms, the opposite sides are congruent. And their opposite angles, those are congruent. The consecutive angles are supplementary. And the diagonals bisect each other. And the definition states that has both pairs of parallel sides. And another property that was not mentioned was that one pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is congruent and parallel. And these are just like ways to prove that a quadrilateral is a parallelogram, not just any other quadrilateral.